guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my own fill-ins for ombre nails. I like to do fill-ins every 2 weeks. You can see the natural nail growth right here. I start by pushing back the cuticles usually the day before, but you can do it right before a fill-in, it doesn't matter. Then I take a fine sanding bit to file down the old top coat and starting point to sand away anything that has lifted. I use this on my natural nails too without applying much pressure to give it a little bit of texture. Then I brush away all the dust. I like to use gelish pH bond and apply it only over the natural nail that's exposed. It doesn't need to go on the acrylic part. The lighter color I used on the tips to achieve this look is acrylic from Mia's Secret called Cover Rose. It's a beautiful pale pink color. And the darker color on the bottom is Mia's Secret Cover Pink. It's warmer and it has a little bit of shimmer to it that's so pretty in person. It's very subtle. They look almost the same in powder form but very different on the nail, and because this is a fill-in, I only need the darker color. For my monomer, I use Mia's Secret as well, and I'm just going to dip it right into the powder and apply it on the nail. I don't use much product because I don't like very thick nails. I also find it much easier to apply more if I need to. I wet the brush again to smooth out the acrylic and clean up the cuticle because you don't want the acrylic to touch and harden on your skin. It's a pain in the butt to remove and causes a lot of lifting. I wait about 10 minutes for the acrylic to dry all the way through. Before filing, it should be very hard to the touch and you shouldn't be able to leave a dent in it. I use a sanding bit to smooth out the entire nail. It doesn't really take a long time because it was pretty smooth to begin with. Then I changed to a diamond bit. This is very fine and I love using this around the cuticles. Then I clean up any dust and start shaping with a medium grit file. I want to keep my coffin shape and length, so thankfully there's not much to do here. Sometimes the longest part can be just shaping the nails. I always finish filing with a buffing block with fine grit so it leaves a nice and smooth finish. I clean my nails one last time and use gelish Top It Off for my top coat. This needs to go under a lamp. I use a UV lamp and leave it in there for 2 minutes. I always do the thumb last, that way there's no puddling with the gel polish and none of it ends up on my cuticles. This top coat does leave a sticky layer, so once I'm done curing it under the lamp, I get a cotton round and soak it with 91% rubbing alcohol and wipe the sticky layer off all the nails, and I'm done. And that's how I fill in my nails. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and that it was easy enough to follow through. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I post videos every week and I'll have links to all my social media down below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!